Here's something interesting for you. Something that uses AI to create cold emails so they don't feel cold. Does that make sense? So, you search for leads, you get a lead, it'll make a personalised cold email, but because it's using AI, that email is going to feel like the person knows you or that they are being written to directly. Yeah, that's how it works. It's called Luna. Have a look at the link in the description. Click on it. You'll get the best deal for it and give it a try. Here is my observations on Luna. Good, I'm liking this. Okay, so this is good. I'm liking this. By the way, there's a helicopter over my head at the moment. I'm in the back of my van. And you can see that I've linked up my email account. And these are the companies that send me emails. And you can see here that it's found Aaron, who's in my inbox. And it's automatically created an email. Hi, Aaron. It's great to see how you're changing the way residential. So what it does, this AI, this is clever. It finds company information about Aaron's company and it makes up some blurb. It's great to see how you've changed the way residential and commercial field service companies in the mechanical, electrical and plumbing industries communicate to serve their customers. With this many companies, I can imagine it's difficult for you to keep track of all the equipment. Have you thought about using software? So this could work for me, actually. Yeah, I like this. So I could recommend some software to Aaron that I might be an affiliate for. Send that cold email. And he might go, oh, wow, Phil, I like that. And I might get some business. I should actually try and send some of these. So I've not filled any of this in. It has found this from my inbox schedule. Let's just discard that one. Let's go to the next one. Hang on. This is Bill at Bonanza, who's also in my inbox. So, hi, Bill. I noticed that you won the title for being the most profitable company in the online market space. I don't know anything about Bill's company here. I just know. So, the software here has scraped all this information from wherever, I don't know, but there's Bill. I can imagine that you're not happy with being the most profitable, but want to be the biggest as well. How are you going to achieve this? And it's created an email. And look at that. If I'm not happy with that one email, using AI, it's generated a new email to Bill. Read about Bonanza's growth. It's impressive. I can imagine that you're looking for even more extraordinary talent. I'm wondering, what's your strategy for attracting new employees? Answer: we're working on some software that helps Bonanza sellers to sell more on the platform. Do you think this would be useful? So it creates the email to Bill. You can then, if you want, adjust the email, have a look at Bill's website, personalize it to make it fit in with exactly what you are selling to Bill. And then when you're happy, you schedule the email and it'll send it out to Bill. He'll get this email going, who's this Phil Todd? But you can see how this would work with your business. Let's discard that one, go on to the next one. Gareth Morgan from Ferret Information Systems. Hi, Gareth. Impressive to see how Ferret Information Systems have helped millions of people understand their welfare benefits over the years. So you see what it's doing here. Have a quick read of that. Excuse me. And this is, I am not giving it any of this information. It is going into my inbox. It's getting Derek's email address. It's finding out about the company, what they do. And then it's creating an email. And then you can change and adjust that email. What a fascinating piece of software this is. Discard. How many more have we got? To Andy at Corner Lot Development. And it tells you all about his business. He's in Florida. He's got a real estate company with 1 to 10 employees. You see, I actually can see me using something like this. Sometimes I use these softwares. I think, yeah, but it's not really something I would use. But as somebody who promotes, sells software, and, I can actually see me using this to contact companies. Because once I'm fully on the system. You know, I can just bang out these emails all day long. And I think you've got to be a little bit hard-faced, haven't you, when you're sending out kind of spam emails like this. You know, if 100 people say, get lost, what's he talking about? And one person buys some software and you make $1,000 profit, well, that's how it works in the world these days, isn't it? Yeah. So, yeah. Last one. All right. I've got that. I've gone through all of them. So I think that's really what it is. These are the conversations. Once you've sent out those emails, if people get back to you, you will have the conversations there. Here are the leads. You can upload your lead list, you know, just as a, let's see how you can do it. I presume it's just as a file, as an Excel doc or whatever. Then you can manage your lead settings. So you see, this is what I filled in when I first signed up. Choose the industries in which Luna should look for potential clients. So I filled all of that in. Target countries, I said these countries, but I can obviously fill in more. So I didn't, I don't care, any size business, but it might be. So if you wanted to set it up, you would set it up for whatever your industry is in, for your piece of software or whatever tool you sell. You would find that you would input your target countries, the business size that you normally sell to, and the job titles of the people that you normally deal with. Once you've set all that up, it will go through your list or go through your inbox, or you can, buy email lists and stuff and find the relevant people. You can even use other software like to scrape emails from LinkedIn and then add it into Luna. Wow. I do like Luna. That's a good bit of kit, isn't it? So, I think I got the gist of it for you. That's what I try and do in these videos. Let's be dead honest, I could spend hours doing it and mastering it and actually send emails out. But you get the gist, don't you? Yeah. All right. Is that software useful for you? If it is, there's a good deal in the link in the description. So check it out. That is Luna. Yeah, looks interesting. Recommend it. And tell me your thoughts on it, if you've used it or if there's any other similar software. And thanks for this video, or even watching this video. I'll see you with another one really soon. Thanks for subscribing as well.